Hello mga kachupos!
Hello mga kachupos!
Hello mga ka-Chupos, at ngayon ay day 3 ng Travel Madness at kasama natin si Sir Rupert.
Hello, good morning.
And sir, regarding pala sa event na to, is ano pala yung booth or yung company na rin-represent nyo po?
Yeah. So we're Balikbayan Handicrafts, and we are a Filipino brand showcasing different handcrafted pieces from the Philippines, coming from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
Then sir, ano pala yung pinaka-specialty ng ano nyo po, ng booth nyo po?
So for today, our exhibit, we exhibit different items from actually different regions in the Philippines, such as mother of pearl, Capiz items, and also from Mindanao, which are from Maranao people in different communities. Also in the north, from Ifugao. So we really had a wide variety of items here in Balikbayan.
And sir, ano pala yung pinaka bestseller nyo or parang binibili talaga ng mga customer nyo po?
Well, it varies, no? So we also, aside from what I mentioned, we also offer furnitures, which we use acacia, nara, and some hardwood and lightwood materials here in the Philippines. So that's one bestseller items or products that we showcase, not just here in the exhibit but also in our store in Makati. And also we also offer jewelry such as the South Sea Pearl.
And sir, kapag ayun, patapos na kasi itong event na to, is just in case na gusto nilang makita yung iba pang mga items or product nyo, saan pala yung pinaka-physical store nyo po?
Yes, you can find us at Arnaiz Avenue at Makati. So we're near Glorieta. So if they want to visit our store, they can go there. We also have branches in Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, and also in Landmark Makati, Filipiniana section. And for upcoming events, we will be having an event this coming October. So watch out. Just follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and also in TikTok.
Ano pala yung isa-search po nila, sir?
Just look at Balikbayan Handicrafts, and we also, if you guys want to purchase, we also have Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok Shop.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Hello mga ka-Chupos, at ngayon ay day 3 ng Travel Madness at kasama natin si Ma'am Faye.